passengers, dreaming stars shining bright. But suddenly, alert, alert! Cam Jam senses aviation hurts. He gasps, rewinds and zooms in. Enhancer, wait, this is sus. Let me investigate. Wait, notebook ready, time to calculate. Black box whispers, the truth is near. Why did the captain disappear? Was it the weather? The flight's too slow. Engine failure, a pigeon. Oh no! Rewind the footage, pause the scene. Bro, this approach was anything but clean.
Yeah, I need to do this. We need to talk. Like now. So I recently did a video on the UPS crash. And I wanted to do this part 2 to clarify and update my theory. Because I can tell you I've already gotten, like, some of my things are wrong. And plus, I noticed right after I filmed it that I said a couple things wrong. And maybe I'll do shoutouts, I don't know. So, let's get started. So, the NTSB, like yesterday, released these images of the crash. So, let me help you if you're blind. So this is the engine. And then in 2 you can see that it's lifting up. Like American 191. And then it must sever like some fuel line or something. And then it like lifts up and does a backflip. And then just disappears in the next frame. Not flame. Ugh. So, don't mind me as I break my pen. Anyway, so, I've actually updated my theory. I think the pylon and engine both cause this. And actually, I think it's actually more the pylon's fault. So, by the way, so, let's get started. Oh, you guys like airplane mode? Comment down below, because I'm in airplane mode right now. I'm talking about airplanes. Sorry. So, let's start from beginning. So, it takes off from what the sun... Oh my god. I have the flight path. What am I doing? So, we're going to look at this flight path that I totally did not steal from Flight Radar 2040, even though it says Flight 20... Radar 24 on the side. Actually, I think my editors stole it from Google. But like, you can see that like it took off. It comes from the gate that's over here, goes up to taxi, and then comes down, takes off, and gets about 50 to 30 feet off the ground ish. And its ground speed, it says, when you hit the ground, was 184 knots. Oh my god! I'm gonna have to ask Siri. Hold on. Okay, I've managed to get my phone. My phone. Yeah, you can see me. Hey Siri, how much in miles per hour is 184 knots?
211.74 miles per hour.
Could that kill a person if it hit the ground?
Here's what I found.
If a person is traveling at 184 knots, how much is that in miles, and then could it kill them?
I found this on the web.
Shut up.
Okay.
Welcome. Hi. Bye.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Shut up, please. She's still going. I'm done. So it's about 200. I don't remember. So it's that in miles if you're English, like me, because we're English. We don't know knots unless you're a pilot, like I'm trained, babe. So what really happened was like, so the pylon actually disconnected from the wing. So like the whole pylon that's like under the wing disconnected, which disconnected the engine, and the pylon threw up, went up, and sliced a cable. So let's just show you. So you know this little thing? It's like right here, right? So that's a pylon. Don't mind my little Spirit Airways. Comment down Spirit Airways if you want Spirit Airlines in the next investigation. So this is the pylon, which connects to the wing, and the engine is connected to that. So if that disconnects, the whole engine's coming off. And what actually happened was, like the pylon went up, and as it was like spinning up, it clipped. It like sliced open the wing and sliced a like fuel line, which started leaking fuel, which was already going to the disconnected engine. I say this because this basically happened at a smaller scale in the American 191. I'm going to kill my phone. Get out of here. Stupid phone. Get out. Thank you. This actually happened at a smaller, like, pace in, like, the American 191 in 1979, where, like, it only sliced, the, fuel, because that was already coming, like, to the engine, because it was a DC-10, and, they weren't honestly trying anything. So, as you can see, and, like, if you even look up American Airlines crashing animation, you can see, like, fuel coming out. So, yeah. When I get back with my drink, because I am thirsty right now for some reason for talking about these crashes. I don't know, I guess investigations make me thirsty. Anyway, you guys might notice, I'm not in my set right now. Like, neither of my sets. I'm actually in my grandfather's, office. Hence, the, Coast Guard flag that's back there. And the old TV that's over here. Like, I wouldn't have that. So, oh, and I'll call you guys on the, I was gonna call you guys on the walkie-talkie. But I couldn't because it's stuck. Anyway, I'll see you guys after I get my drink. In about 5 seconds. So see you then. Take a minute, stretch, get popcorn, whatever you want. We're going to talk more about crashes, like we do in Camp Jam Investigations. Okay, we're back with the lemonade. And still with the stupid phone that won't shut up. cheers. Anyway, so like I was saying, so I am the idiot that would print out images of each of the. I'm gonna kill my phone. Shut up. Of both crashes, and tell me that these do not look basically the same. Like, look at the lines and tell me they do not almost look the exact same. They both turned to the side because they both lost an engine. So I think that, honestly, when they repair the pylon, I mean, when after American 191, when they found that the forklift thing, mabob thing, they fixed that. They missed something on the pylon, and when this DC-10 got converted to a MD-11, they just didn't notice, and the pylon had like a structural failure or something, and just the wear and tear of like 27 years of just keep on flying, like keep on swimming, but less story. Just wore it out. Anyway, yeah, that's basically all I have. So, yeah. Anyway, my prayers go to the families of like the 3 guys and like all the people that died on the ground. I think what happened was some idiot put an oil factory in the middle of at the end of a runway. That's one idiot. And then another idiot didn't check the pylon. Well, it was under repair at a heavy check or whatever it's called, like a month before or two. They just didn't check. I honestly think they got lazy. Because what mechanic doesn't get lazy? Like, I know my, uncle literally works on cars, and sometimes he takes, weeks to even, repair a car. And these are airplanes! You know how much bigger an airplane is than a car? It's insane. Like a car is like this small compared to an airplane. A car could fit in an airplane. If you didn't know. That's how they fit tanks in airplanes. And that's how they fit tanks in airplanes. So they stuff it in. And they jam it in. And the plane has to be big enough to fit. I'm okay. I'm back. Don't mind my fall. I know that's probably going to be changed into a meme. Like the Cam jump scare. But ram! Here, you want a jump scare? Ram! There, change that into a meme. Or you can change my fall if you really want one. Anyway, back to seriousness. So, I think the same problem that basically brought down American 191 brought down this one. It was just disguising as the forklift thing. And we just didn't realize it at the time because technology back then wasn't that great. Even F1 cars were not even that great. Literally the San Francisco, or whatever it was, collision was 2 years before American 191. Or a month. That was crazy back then. Anyway, If you guys think I'm wrong or have any feedback, I don't care if it's nice or negative. It can be negative. I don't care. Please comment it down below. Now we're gonna get to shoutouts. Let me go get my shoutout paper. See you in a minute. Get your popcorn ready. Now. Shout out time. Join my Discord in the description if you want to shout out. Because I'm going to literally shout out every single person in my Discord now. So there's, I'm going to try here. Irvafly? That's what his Discord looks like. If that's you, happy shout out. It's AFRIFLY24. Yoshi knows. SA33 Ninja 2137. Noping Swastikin LZ10, my original account, which is after that, and then me. Cheese Studios, YT Filipino, Deadpool 67, Delta 006, who has 2 accounts in here for some reason. I think one of them got banned. Eddie Bloopers, Evermore, which she told me she dressed up as a pilot for Halloween. So that's pretty cool. Like, honestly, you go. Do you want to be a pilot? Be a pilot. Not gonna lie. That's kind of cool. Where I live, we don't even have that cool of a costume. We're poor around here, bro. Anyway, yeah, that's Evermore. GeoFest Flight video group. I'm not gonna read the next one because, yeah. It's I love 9/11. Me Elmo no me burn. The most annoying user. Mug root beer Noya. PewDiePie 7642354239387. Samus. Shadow the Real One. Skyblaze. Titched Gamer 555. Taft 021. The Scooter Booski. Via and Sarah V. Okay. That's all the shoutouts I have. Honestly, keep on gaming. And if you guys want any more shoutouts, or even if those people want shoutouts even more, maybe we can collab. I have no idea. If you have a YouTube channel, just, I don't know, join me on Discord or comment, and maybe we can do a collab on GeoFest or something. Anyway, this has been another CamGM123 investigation into the UPS crash. I hope you enjoyed. Peace. Thank you for flying Spirit Airways. That's the wrong one. Thank you for flying Ryanair. I will collapse now.